Hello, I am Lale. Today we are making Iranian food together. Koko sabzi. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, ½ teaspoon. Turmeric, ½ teaspoon. As needed for frying. Fresh herbs are the heart of koko sabzi. Parsley, 150 grams. Cilantro, 100 grams. Dill, 50 grams. Optional spinach or fresh garlic leaves. Wash the herbs thoroughly. Dry them completely. Finely chop them. Tip: if the herbs contain too much moisture, the koko may fall apart. Crack the eggs into a large bowl. Add the salt, black pepper, and turmeric. Whisk everything well. Add the chopped herbs. If you like, add flour, barberries, and walnuts. Mix well. Heat cooking oil over medium heat. Pour the mixture into the pan. Spread it evenly. Spread it evenly. Mix well. Cover the pan. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes until the bottom becomes golden. This is absolutely delicious. Thank you for cooking with me. See you in the next episode.